These are the elevators at the Court Square building in Lexington, Kentucky. Look at this. Got ourselves some Dovers here. Some 80s Dovers from the looks of it. This thing wants to shut. Impatient one. I guess we can go up to keys locked. 7's the highest we can go. We're on 7. Back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. These things look a little dirty and beat up, but overall they are still pretty nice elevators. Here on 1. We'll take another ride, why not? Newer Dover traditional. These aren't the funnest Dover attractions I've been on, but you can still definitely feel them move, so, and you do feel them start up, so they're still pretty fun. Here on 7. And we'll go back down to 1. ADA compliant phone. There's your indicator, which I think might be some Nixie tube indicator. Here's a view of your newer Dover traditional fixtures. Interesting how they have the door close button up there. Here we are on 1. You know what, just for the heck of it, why not? This is pretty nice. Look up, who do you see? Hello. Interlock. Oh, hello. Back down to 1. But yeah, that's interesting though. I haven't seen that before. Or maybe I have, but I just don't remember. Watch 1 go out. And we'll get off here. There's your call button. That's cool. Yeah, this could use some work. Well, anyway, there they go. And that's gonna be it.